If there's one thing I'm good at, it's online business. I've generated over 27 million online in the last 4 years, built multiple 7 and 8-figure companies, and I've mentored thousands of students who have generated over 100 million in revenue for themselves. I've got 62 employees across 3 different businesses, and a few weeks back, I was even featured in New York Times Square for the impact that I've had on my students and the industry. And today, right now, I'm going to give you everything that I've learned, all the expensive mistakes that I've made, so you can shortcut your learning curve with online business. There's literally no way you can watch this video, take notes, implement what I'm about to tell you, and not make significantly more money than what you're making right now. Let's start with the basics. What actually is an online business? Most people think that it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or crypto trading. Those aren't businesses. They're income streams at best, remote jobs at worst. A real online business is a system that delivers value to customers through digital channels and operate without your constant presence. Let me break that down. System runs on processes, not your personal effort. Delivers value, meaning it solves real problems for real people. Digital channels. This means there must be internet-based attention or distribution to get eyeballs on your stuff, and it operates without you, makes money while you sleep. By this definition, 90% of what people call online businesses are not businesses, they're just overglorified remote jobs. Dropshipping, you're the middleman for overseas suppliers. Customer complaints, your problem. Supplier raises prices, sorry, your margin disappears. Meta bans your ad account, well, that means the business is dead. Let's talk Amazon FBA. You're basically working for Jeff Bezos with a few extra steps. Amazon controls your pricing, your customers, your entire business. They can shut you down tomorrow, and the average seller makes less than $1,000 per month. Day trading, my friend, that's gambling with the laptop. 95% of day traders lose money, and that's not my opinion. That's hard data from actual brokerage firms. That's not opinion. A real online business owns customer relations, controls distribution and attention, and scales without requiring you to work 12-hour days for years to come. The perfect example, digital products. You make the product one time, you sell it unlimited. Someone buys your course at 3 a.m. while you're sleeping or 10 a.m. while you're at the gym, doesn't matter. You make money either way, semi-autopilot. 100 people buy versus 1 person buys, same effort, instantly delivered to their email. No inventory, no shipping, 95% margins. That is a real business. Picking the wrong boats. Warren Buffett is very famous to have said, it's not how hard you row, but what boat you're in. The business model is your boat, and picking the wrong boat could literally end your career or set you back 10 years. You see, most people drown because you're rowing in a boat with holes, and that's why you're sinking. I mean, just look at the numbers. Dropshipping has 10 to 30% margins, meaning you gotta make $33,000 in sales to clear 10 grand in profit before ad costs, before returns, before suppliers screw you. Amazon FBA, 9.7 million competitors. Amazon instantly takes 15% off the top, plus storage fees, plus advertising, plus your returns. You're lucky to keep 20%. Service-based businesses. You charge 2 grand per client, handle 5 clients max, cap out at 10 grand a month, and want more? Work more. That's a job with a few more bosses than the current 9-to-5 boss that you have. Compare that to digital products. 95% margins. Sell a $500 product, keep $475. No inventory, no shipping, no physical limitations. You can sell to 1 person or 10,000 people. It doesn't matter because it's the same effort. But here's the kicker. Success leaves clues. Look at every successful online entrepreneur. What business model do they actually use? Hormozi, he made his first 100 million selling courses to gym owners. He says licensing, that means courses, just so you know. Iman Ghazi, millions selling courses about agencies. Sam Evans, 30 million selling courses about consulting. They're all in the same boats. The one that actually works, it's digital products. And by the way, if you want the full step-by-step blueprint that I personally use to go from 0 to over 100 grand a month with this exact digital product business, I simply just don't have enough time to cover everything in this video. So that's why I put together a full masterclass training showing you step-by-step how I scaled from 0 to over 100 grand a month selling digital products with AI doing 80 to 90% of the work. And when you actually attend the training, I'm actually going to give you access to this 10x AI Accelerator workbook, which will show you step-by-step how to make your first or next digital product sale in less than 72 hours. I will give this to you for free for only those that watch the masterclass training completely. So once you're completely done with this video, just tap the first link down below in the description to get access to that masterclass training and the AI Accelerator workbook. The next mistake that I see is creating demand-less products. That's a business hoping that people will buy, and that's a terrible marketing strategy. Instead, find what people are desperately buying and then sell it to them. You see, after making 27 million in sales, I've learned that there's really only 3 markets that consistently creates millionaires. Health, people always pay to lose weight, reduce pain, have more energy, live longer. Second one is wealth. People always pay to be able to make more money, save more money, grow and invest their money, protect their money. And third is relationships. People always pay to find love, save their marriages, and be better parents. Everything else is what I call a hobby market. Hobby markets don't make millionaires. But here's what will blow your mind. You don't need to create the product yourself. Thousands of proven products in these markets already pay 50 to 90% commissions. So why make your own? Find one that's already converting, promote it, and keep more than half the sales. Here's an example. There's an AI tool that helps businesses create content. It sells for $597 per year, which means it's actually recurring income. And you make 50%, which is $298. That's basically $300, and that's per year. And my student, Lila, she's 23, full-time job, and in grad school. She did $5,300 in pure profit in less than 8 weeks promoting this one product. She didn't make it. She just simply marketed a done-for-you product. The market determines your income before you start, so choose wisely. Now here's what I'm going to save you years of pain and wasted effort. Do not create your own product. Creating your own product when you're just getting started is usually the worst thing that you can do. What does Uber do? Do they own any cars? No. Does Airbnb own any properties? Nope. Does DoorDash, food delivery, do they own any restaurants? No. All of these businesses do something called arbitrage. They connect buyers with sellers and then they take their cut. And that's exactly what smart online entrepreneurs do with digital products. So the first option that you have is, if you really want, yes, you can create your own product. It takes months of creating it, thousands of dollars in development costs, building sales page, payment system support, handling refunds, complaints, updates. And the thing is, if you're just getting started with this, it might not even sell because you don't know if the market wants it or not. Option number 2 is you can arbitrage existing products that already exist and are proven to sell and they have demand. You use done-for-you sales pages that are already proven to convert. The company that made the product, they handle the support and delivery, and you just send traffic. And you make 50 to 90% commissions. You tell me, which sounds smarter? This isn't just affiliate marketing. This is a strategic partnership. You're building a real business around proven products. And when you have cash flow from doing arbitrage, then you can create your own product later down the line. But starting off with creation is like trying to fly before you can walk. Now, let's talk about getting more customers, because without customers, you don't have business. Now, there's 2 ways to get the traffic or eyeballs and attention for getting those customers. You can go organic or you can go paid. Paid traffic is fast, but it's expensive. Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Average cost per click, 70 cents. Sounds cheap, but that adds up fast. And if you don't know what you're doing, you will light 10,000 on fire before figuring it out. Organic traffic is slow, but it's free. Here's what nobody's telling you about organic. Instagram just changed the game completely. Their new Instagram algorithm heavily favors new accounts posting short form content, 7 to 11 second videos. Why? TikTok is killing them, and so Instagram needs to compete. And that's why they're rewarding new creators with free traffic so that more people come onto the platform. So start a brand new account today and post a 7-second video. IG will show it to thousands of people for complete free, even if you have 0 followers. Take, for example, Kayla. She's one of my students. She's a full-time nurse, a mom, 2 kids, 0 following. She made a brand new account and posted this 7-second video. It's literally just her sipping coffee. 2 million views. And guess how much she made? That one video drove 8,000 in sales. Here's math. 1 million views, all free, no ads by the way. 1% click, that's 10,000 visitors. 1% buy, that's 100 sales. $80 in commission, that's $8,000 from one 7-second video shot on your phone. Now, what's the real secret? AI can actually write these videos for you. Tools will analyze what's viral and then rewrite the content for you, so you just record and post. And if you don't want to show your face, totally no problem. There are accounts that are using AI-created digital avatars that post 7-second faceless videos to make 300 grand in less than 120 days. Paid traffic? Good, if you have money to burn. Organic traffic with Instagram's new algorithm? Now that's printing money. Everyone's arguing about this. Long-form YouTube videos or short-form TikToks? Here's the truth after testing everything. Long-form content is great because it builds authority and trust. There's higher conversion rates, but it does take a really long time to create and build an audience. Short-form content gets massive reach and it's fast. It is lower conversion rates, but you can make 10 videos with AI in less than an hour. Here's the math. Long-form content is 1 video a week, 10,000 views, 5% conversion. It's about 71 sales a day. Short-form content, you can do 3 videos a day, 5,000 views each, and a 1% conversion. But that's 150 sales a day. That's more than double the sales from making content that are just 7-second videos. Short form always wins by volume. My top students and I are using AI to turn one idea into both formats. Let's talk about weight loss for a second. Find a viral weight loss tip. AI will write a 2,000-word blog post and 10 7-second video scripts. Same content, multiple formats, and max reach. This is what we call content arbitrage, taking what works in one format and then adapting it to another. My student Will drove Uber 60 hours a week, he started posting simple videos like this between rides about how to make money online. 8 grand in his first 14 days. Never made a single long form video. Never wrote a blog post, just simple 7-second videos and photo posts. The platform doesn't matter. Length doesn't matter. Consistency matters. Volume matters. And with AI, you can do both at scale. I'm gonna be honest, this is gonna piss some people off, but you need to hear it. Success leaves clues. So look at what successful entrepreneurs do versus what they say, and you'll notice something shocking. They all say they make their money doing some other stuff, real estate, Airbnb, e-commerce, whatever it may be, but they actually make their real money all the same freaking way, selling digital products. And the thing is, they'll never admit it. Course creator sounds less impressive than CEO or investor. So let me expose some of the biggest creators' real business models that you and I both respect. And pay attention. Analyze what they do versus what they say. Alex Hormozi, mad respect. Says he built a gym business. The truth? His first 100 million in sales came from selling digital products, courses, and coaching to gym owners. And now he even sells a 5,000 in-person workshop, which is basically just a digital product, but in person. Grant Cardone, real estate mogul apparently. Well, guess what? Last year, he did 300 million from selling courses, coaching, and digital products. That's 25 million a month in digital products. And even the biggest billionaires in the world, Jeff Bezos, you do realize that AWS, which is cloud computing, a really fancy word, is essentially a digital product, right? That's 70% of Amazon's profit. The pattern is clear. Digital products is the profit center. Everything else is just the front. Now, there's nothing wrong with it. It's brilliant. It's genius. Digital products are truly the only business with true leverage. And when Grant Cardone sells a $2,000 course to 1,000 people, that's 2 million at 90% profit margins. Try that with real estate. You can't. So what's the lesson? Stop doing what they tell you to do and start doing what they actually do. And everything I taught you is about to get 100 times easier because of AI. We're living through the biggest shift in history right now. Bigger than mobile, bigger than crypto, and bigger than social media. AI changes everything because content creation, what took hours before, takes seconds. ChatGPT will write the scripts, Midjourney will create the images, 11 Labs will clone voices. Product creation. AI will just build you an entire course, write you a full ebook, create a software for you. One of my business partners a couple months back used AI and did a $500,000 launch in less than 30 days. Customer service. AI chatbots handle 24/7 support better than humans, cheaper than humans, never get sick, never complain. Marketing. AI predicts viral content, writes ads, optimizes your website funnel, and tests 1,000 variations while you sleep. And my clients and I are using AI to make 30 pieces of content in 10 minutes, build sales pages that convert at 10% or higher, create entire product suites in days, not months, and scale to 10 grand a month with less than 2 hours a day of work. AI is not going to replace online business, it's going to amplify it. And people who understand both online business and AI will own the next decade. In the next 2 years, I predict 3 things will happen. First, AI is going to eliminate 90% of traditional online businesses. Dropshipping, AI is going to directly connect buyers to suppliers, and the Chinese warehouses are going to bypass dropshippers. Agencies, the AI will do all the work. Freelancing, see you later. Second, digital products are going to explode 10x. Every piece of knowledge, skill, and experience will get packaged and sold, and the education industry that's currently at 350 billion is going to 3x to 1 trillion. And third, the people who build audiences and distribution will control everything. Not platforms, not companies, individuals with audiences. This is your window. While everyone's distracted by crypto and dropshipping, you can build the business model that actually works. My prediction, in 24 months from now, more millionaires will be created from digital products than the last 20 years combined. And the only question I have for you is, will you be one of them? Look, I just gave you 8 years of experience in one video. And now that you know what the best online business model is, digital products, you understand the business models, you understand which markets work, and you see the difference between creating versus arbitraging. You understand traffic and you know what successful people actually do. And you see how AI changes everything, but information without implementation is just entertainment. If you want to go deeper than what we covered here, I actually put together a complete full masterclass that breaks down everything in detail right here. Inside that training, I walk you through exactly how I scaled from 0 to over 100 grand per month selling digital products with AI doing 80 to 90% of the work step by step. And when you attend this masterclass training, I'm even going to give you access to this 10x AI Accelerator workbook right here, which will show you step by step how to make your first or next digital product sale in less than 72 hours. I will give this to you for free though, only for those that click the link down below and watch that training. So when you're done here, tap that first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.